this video, we will talk about how to upload your own logo to your website and how to create a logo with AI. To upload your logo on your website, navigate to the header section in the editor. Hover your cursor over the logo image and click the settings icon. You will see 3 logo options. Click on the image icon, choose the location where you want to upload your logo, and select the image you need. Voila! Your logo is set up. How to create a logo using AI. Go to the header section in Editor. Hover on the logo and click the AI button. Select your preferred style for the logo. Once the AI generates the 4 options for your logo, you can choose the preferred one. And that's it! Now you know how to upload or create a logo for your website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.